This is Peter. Peter has an idea. This is TRECO. As a manufacturing partner of products, we specialize in making your ideas into final products. We have a flexible manufacturing setup. If you have a product or product series that requires continuous manufacturing, we suggest our concept called dedicated manufacturing. You get your own factory for your product, which is designed from the ground up. TRECO handles the entire process and designs a specific manufacturing setup. Everything is based on your product, so the manufacturing is streamlined and efficient. We make your manufacturing scalable and optimize it to your needs. With our concept of dedicated manufacturing, you get committed employees who only work on your product. As your manufacturing partner, TRECO is with you from idea to final product. With a partnership, we both do what we do best to create growth. That is why we say, ahead together.